Good morning, guys. I have been waiting to do this project for about 3 years now, almost 3 years. You guys know that I've talked about this many times in the past, but I wanted to upgrade the bike's suspension. So this just came in and I'm super excited to open it. I have not yet opened it, as you guys can see. So I'm very excited to see it for the first time with you guys. So let's get this open. I don't know if any of you have already guessed what this is, but let's take a look at it together. Wow, look at this beauty. Yes, you guys guessed it right. I know I've talked about this at least 1,000 times. You know, I'm a huge fan of Ohlins. I've used them on the track. They are amazing. I mean, just to give you an idea how great this product is, while I was riding on the track, the minute that I upgraded my rear suspension to the Ohlins, immediately I shaved 2.5 seconds. No lie, guys. 2.5 seconds on the very first session that I did after installing it. Amazing what a difference that it makes. I know this is premium. I know that this is very expensive, hence why I waited this long. I don't know if this is gonna work on the bike yet, but you guys know me, you know my style. I'm gonna do a video, a full installation, and a full test. We'll talk about all the details. We'll talk about the compression dampening. We'll talk about the rebound dampening. We'll talk about the spring rate, how it all works together with the tire choice of, the type of carcass that you choose, the type of tire that you choose, how that all plays into it, how that can be used to your benefit to make the bike more comfortable, to make it more performance oriented, to give you more stability, more safety. Anyway, let's get this open. Okay, perfect. Comes with a little bit of paperwork. These are the sleeves. These are going to be crucial to make this work. I don't know yet 100% if I'm going to be able to make this work or not, but we'll go through this together and we'll figure it all out. Wow. Look at this. My goodness, look how beautiful this is. Wow. Okay, so incredibly light, incredibly. Check this out. With a real reservoir, okay? Then you have your damping over here, and there is one more. I need to mess around with it to find out where it is. This is the preload adjustment, which is right here. It comes with the tool, and you have a regular spring. This is sprung when you buy it online. This is sprung for about a person that's 180 to 200 pounds. You can get a different spring rate. This is going to be key to making your ride more comfortable, okay? It is all in the spring rate, since you can trust Ohlins to have the best rebound and compression dampening that there is out there, okay? You can adjust the height a little bit. Now, this is supposed to match our stock suspension 100% in terms of the length. It's supposed to be 12 inches. And we'll take a measurement over here, just so that we can see if that is the case. From the center to the center is exactly 12 inches. And you have 1/2 inch of adjustment to make it a little bit taller. So the minimum length is 12 inches. Maximum length is 12.25, 12.5. We'll find out when we test it. The reason why I went with these is because I did not want to sacrifice the actual seat height. I am a shorter person. A lot of you guys can relate. A lot of you guys have the same height as I am. I'm 5'7" with the 29-inch inseam. So I did not want to sacrifice the reach to the ground by getting the taller suspension. Another reason why I didn't want to get the taller suspension made, let's say, by Burley, which is actually progressive, plus YSS also makes a different suspension as well, it's great to see that we have options now, at least, which is fantastic. These are 12 inches. The originals are 12 inches, and we're going to do comparisons. These just take it 10 steps above, of course, in the right direction, hopefully, fingers crossed. Of course, we're going to be testing all of this out together. The 13-inch from Burley, they look great, and I don't have anything against them. It's just a personal preference, guys. Please don't be upset with me when I say this. I don't like the look. It raises the rear a bit too much. It just looks awkward, maybe a little bit weird to my eyes. I respect that you guys might think that that looks great. Performance-wise, they might actually be a lot better than these because it's an additional inch. So you have more suspension travel and probably even more stability on the highway because of the changed or altered geometry by making the bike a little bit higher in the rear. I don't know how much that weighs into it, but anyway, that is the case. I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna stop right here. I'm super excited. Tomorrow I get to leave with a few other Rebel 1100 owners. We are all going to West Virginia. I am so excited. I'll try my best to try to document all of this and bring you guys along so that you can live it with all of us together, and hopefully we can grow this group in the future. So I cannot wait to get this on the bike. Unfortunately, it didn't come in time for me to get it on the bike to test it while on this trip, but I am using the trip to actually test out the new Night Dragons, the Pirelli Night Dragons that you guys know I recently installed. I've put about 700 or 800 miles on them so far, and we'll talk about all the details while on the trip. Anyway, I hope you guys like this. I hope that you guys will come along on my journey when I install these and test them out, and have an amazing day, you guys.